The following video is an OKAMOTO Model 820A hydraulic surface grinder. It's 8-inch by 20-inch. The serial number of the machine is 1237. The machine is new 1987.
Okay, so we're going to start off showing you the grinding wheel. We'll start that up. Right now it's just the grinding wheel on. Basically, we have a visual readout up here. Zero this. And you see you have a little incremental hand feed here. Or you can just turn the hand wheel. Same with your cross feed. And your table. We're going to go ahead and start the hydraulics. And our table. We pull the hand wheel out. Disengage it from the switch. We can have the cross feed. Now the reversal for the table is set by some dogs mounted on the left-hand side of the machine. Mount of the step adjusted here with this control valve. The more you turn it out, the further out this center part sticks, the deeper or longer your step will be. This puts it in incremental feed. This actually stops the table, and this will make the table feed continuously. No longer stepping. You could shut the table off. Some people like to mount a diamond on the magnet, and you could actually dress the wheel like this by just giving it an increment each time. Okay, stop that. We also have an automatic down feed with each cross feed reversal. Look at the end of this stroke, it'll feed again. So that's provided that you have this selector switch on traverse. If we just wanted to do slot grinding or plunge grinding, that immediately stops the cross slide. And now we have down feed at each of the table reversal. Anytime we want to stop the table, we press the table stop button on the control panel, and that starts the table. This starts it. When you want to move the wheel rapidly up and down, you have to disengage the hand wheel, or you can have a rapid up or rapid down. Probably want to hold on to this so it doesn't spin like that. Engage it. Just the feed by hand or on the power. Center position, it'll just keep feeding around and around and around. The position over here with the line at the bottom of the arrow, that will stop at 0 and then begin a spark out. So if we can bring this rapidly down to 0, you'll see that when we get there, the feed will stop, and the machine will do a certain amount of passes on its own, depending on what you have set, and then it parks. Currently wired for 208, 220 volts, and that's it. Thank you.
Again, the following video was an OKAMOTO Model 820A hydraulic surface grinder. Serial number of the unit is 1237. The machine is new 1987.